Hi, my name is Lana Cruz.
And I'm Suo Hardy.
And our project was over the Tyndall effect.
Our initial question was, what happens when we add salt to distilled water while shining a light through it?
And our hypothesis was, if we add more salt to the distilled water, then the more visible the light will be.
We used a couple of variables. So the controlled was the amount of water, the independent was the amount of salt in moles, and the dependent was the visibility of the light.
The materials we used were 0.4 liters of water, rock salt, a beaker, a laser pointer, and a camera to take pictures.
Our procedure was first to pour water in the beaker, then shine a beam of light through the beaker, then observe, then gradually increase the salt in the beaker. Then we repeat the third step, which was to observe, and then we repeat step 4 and then 3 again.
When no grams of rock salt is added, it shows that there's 0 moles per liter.
And then as we move on to the next picture, this is when we have 10 grams of sodium chloride. This shows about 14.61 moles per liter.
And this is showing the visibility when there's 20 grams or 7.2 moles per liter of sodium chloride.
Next is when we added another 10 grams, making it 30 in total, and that made it about 4.88 moles per liter in total.
And this next one is about 40 grams, or you can say 2.65 moles per liter of sodium chloride.
Next we see 2.92 moles per liter, which is also 50 grams in total. You get to see the light shining brighter, and you can see the salt piling up at the bottom.
And in the next one, it shows 60 grams of sodium chloride, which is also 2.44 moles per liter. And you can see the light is, you can see it more, it's more visible.
Next we have 70 grams, which is also 2.1 moles per liter, and that's what it looks like as well. You can see the salt at the very bottom.
So that picture held about 1.83 moles per liter of sodium chloride, which is about 80 grams as well.
Then we move on to 90 grams of salt, and that is about 1.63 moles per liter. And that's what it looks like.
And the last but not least, this solution contains about 100 grams, and there's about 1.45 moles per liter of sodium chloride.
So what have we learned in this project? We learned that when we add more salt to the cup of distilled water, colloid particles scatter in the solution, and it creates the Tyndall effect, as we were trying to show throughout this experiment. Thank you.